Introduction to VMware Cloud on AWS. VMware Cloud on AWS is a hybrid cloud service that combines VMware's enterprise-grade virtualization technology with the scalability and flexibility of Amazon Web Services. This solution allows businesses to extend their VMware environments into the AWS cloud with minimal effort. At its core, VMware Cloud on AWS is built on VMware Cloud Foundation, integrating vSphere for compute, vSAN for storage, and NSX for networking. These components run on dedicated AWS bare metal infrastructure, providing high performance and seamless compatibility with existing VMware environments. Key benefits of VMware Cloud on AWS include seamless workload mobility. Businesses can migrate applications from on-premises data centers to AWS without modification, ensuring business continuity. Hybrid cloud scalability. Organizations can scale resources on demand, leveraging AWS's global infrastructure for expansion. Integrated disaster recovery. VMware Cloud on AWS enables businesses to implement a robust disaster recovery strategy with built-in automation and failover capabilities. Enterprise-grade security. With NSX microsegmentation and VMware security tools, workloads remain protected across hybrid cloud environments. Cost optimization. Businesses can optimize cloud spending with flexible consumption models and dynamic resource allocation. By adopting VMware Cloud on AWS, organizations gain the benefits of cloud scalability while maintaining the familiarity and efficiency of VMware tools. This makes it an ideal solution for hybrid cloud strategies, application modernization, and disaster recovery. In the next lesson, we will explore best practices for deploying VMware Cloud on AWS. Let's get started.